Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khushbu Gandhi and this is my world of beauty where I talk about skincare, makeup, hair care and everything related. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss any video from my side, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Now this video is dedicated to the coconut range by Wow Skin Science. I have been using these products for quite some time now. I have framed my opinion, but just to be very transparent, I will be using each and every product right here in front of you guys so that you can actually see the whole process and how it is working and the effectiveness and everything. So if you're excited to see the results, then please continue watching. Now before I start reviewing each product individually, I want to highlight the fact that
Skin Science products are made in India. They are not tested on animals. They are 100% vegan and gluten free. And also these products don't have any parabens, silicons and mineral oil.
So I want to take this point and appreciate the brand and basically applaud it for thinking about the nature as well. Now the first product that I'll be trying is this coconut clarifying micellar water. Now you can see that I have a full face of makeup and most of my makeup is actually waterproof because we do have a lot of waterproof makeup in our kitties these days. So the real test of this product is going to be how effective it is in removing the makeup, but at the same time ensures that there is no irritation or there are no rashes on the skin. So this is how it looks from the inside. It is a very sturdy plastic packing. It is very transparent, so you have like a good idea of how much product you have used and whatever is remaining. Then it is actually in a spray bottle form. Most of the micellar waters that I have seen are actually with those drops, but this is in a spray bottle one, which I think is quite easy also because sometimes you don't want to just dab it in a cotton. You can just spray it all over face and then take a fresh cotton and remove it. Now talking about the price, this product is available at 350 rupees and the quantity that they're offering is 200 ml. So price wise, I will not call it an expensive product. I will call it a pocket friendly product.
Now to show you the use, I'll be drenching my 2 cotton swabs in this micellar water generously and I will be removing my base makeup first. My base products are mostly waterproof and I also used an oil control fixer over it.
I've only removed my base up until now and you can see so much product has come out of it. Right now I'll be removing the eye makeup and the lipstick. Normally no matter what makeup remover I'm using, I just keep it on my eye because there's a lot of waterproof makeup over there and it is always prudent that you give it some time to break it down and then you remove it, right? That way it is less harsh. So then so my eyeliner was waterproof and even my mascara is waterproof. So the fact that it has removed it with so much ease just proves how effective this product is. So I have used like 1 cotton swab for removing one of my complete eye makeup and it is successfully removed. Also I do not feel any kind of irritation or itchiness on my eye because generally my eyes are slightly sensitive, so I'm always looking out for products which do not create irritation. So in that ways it is a complete win-win. Now I'll quickly remove this eye makeup also. Now I had 3 layers of lipsticks. There was a lip liner, then there was a crayon and it was topped up with the liquid mattifying lipsticks that we have, and this is all out in one swab. So I can like easily tell you guys that this is a very effective product. Also, it is very reasonable. It is very like, up until now what I can feel is that it is very skin friendly. So if you're looking for a micellar water, your search ends here. Now, it is an industry known fact that double cleansing is very important. So even though the micellar water will clean off all of your makeup, it is very important that you go over with a face wash and clean. So for my next step, I'll be using their coconut face wash to actually wash my face. It comes in a tube packing like this. It is a coconut hydrating face wash. So let's just try this thing. Now, the consistency of this product is very milky, I would say. It's not a very thick product. It's also not very liquidy. The consistency over here is very milky and very soft, I would say. After washing my face, I can actually feel my skin to be very refreshed and hydrated. Like, normally I have a dry skin type, so after washing my face, I do feel a lot of dry patches. But I think this is a really mild product, so I'm not, I don't feel like just instantly opening my drawer and taking out a moisturizer and applying it. So in that sense, I would say that it is quite a mild product. Now, you are going to get this tube of 100 ml for 250 rupees, 249 to be precise. So again, it is a pocket friendly product. I really like everything about this one. It's just one thing what I feel is that if you keep your tube like this, because the product consistency is very milky, when you open it, actually a lot of product comes out, and that would lead to wastage because there's no way you can put the product back in. So there's just one experience based advice that I can give you is that you keep your packing like this instead of this. Now, after we wash our face, we obviously tone it. So I will be using their coconut super rich toner. Now, this product is rich in coconut water, cucumber fruit water, green tea and witch hazel extracts. Now, this is 100% alcohol free, which is actually a very big benefit because it is not going to dry out your skin or suck any moisture out of your face. So you take it and now, after you applied your toner, I mean, this is a standard advice for all the toners. Once you've applied it, you should at least give it 30 to 40 seconds to settle down on your face. You don't have to wait it to dry. You don't have to wipe it off. You just have to sit patiently for 30-40 seconds and let your skin absorb it. This toner is of 350 rupees and the quantity that they're offering is 200 ml. Again, I will not call it expensive. Now, after 30 to 40 seconds, you will realize that most of the toner is absorbed by your skin and a very thin layer of moisture is on your surface. Now, you don't have to wipe it off. I mean, whether you're using the Wow Skin Toner or any toner for that matter, you don't have to wipe it out. You have to take your moisturizer and you have to apply it so that all the hydration gets sealed. Which actually brings us to our next product, which is the coconut creme from Wow. Now, the most interesting part about this product is that it is enriched with hyaluronic acid. Now, if you are new to this term hyaluronic acid, I like to tell you that it is actually a humectant which will help seal the moisture on your skin, because hyaluronic acid की जो सबसे बड़ी property है वो ये है that it can hold moisture double or triple its weight. I mean, if the weight of the molecule is this much, it can hold this much water or this much moisture. And that is the reason why there's any product which targets the hydration angle. If it has hyaluronic acid, you can be rest assured ki this is going to be effective, because see, the reality of the product is in its ingredients, and this product does have hyaluronic acid in it. So if you have a dry skin type, you need this. So it has a very slight coconutty smell. I mean, it's not overpowering. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि नारियल का तेल लगा लिया है, but it's there. I mean, in a very subtle way, it's there. So I'll just take some cream. And apply it all on my face. Right? So you can see how rich and hydrated my skin is feeling. Now this packing of 50 ml you will get for 600 rupees. So I can't say that it is a very inexpensive product, but because I try a lot of products every day, I can tell you that investing in good quality skincare is very important, and this is one product that will deliver its quality, because number one, it has got coconut stuff in it, then number two, it has got hyaluronic acid in it, and a very important part is that all the WOW products are paraben free, sulfate free and mineral oil free. So in the long run, these things are going to be very profitable for your skin, because you have to apply skincare every day and you cannot afford all the paraben, sulfate, mineral oil debris on your face. It can have lethal consequences. So yes, I would say it is slightly on the expensive side. I would still urge you to buy this, because you saw I just took this much cream, I applied it all on my face. So like, this product, it's actually going to last for a very long time. So this was my review of all the WOW Skin Science products that I had, and I just used the entire skincare range. Their micellar water effectively removed all the makeup. The face wash was very refreshing and hydrating, and very mild also. Then the toner, very hydrating, and you know, just when you apply it, you feel like this breath of freshness coming on your face. Very effective. And the last product that I tried was the coconut cream, which is also very effective. So in all, I can say that I am like super satisfied with this entire WOW skincare range, and I would definitely urge you all to try it, especially if you have like a slightly dry or a combination skin type. Then this coconut collection is going to be a blessing for you guys. So definitely try it. I have mentioned the link in the description box below, so that you don't have any problem in, you know, searching for the products. Do check it out, do buy it, do try it, and do share your experience. Also, you guys are free to write your feedback in the comment section below. I love reading it. And once again, I would request you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell, because I love making videos for you people, and definitely I want my family to grow. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.